This is the Leo Lawnmower.
There is a really big problem in America right now involving hardware malfunctioning, breaking. It's a first world problem. I personally haven't been affected by it, but I know people who have been affected by it. When their lawn is long and their lawnmower doesn't start, when it has gas in it and you pull and you pull and it won't start, what do? Who do you call? How does the lawn get mowed? These are questions that we hope to answer in our skit about the lawnmower. I am going to be the lawnmower. Let's move this out of the way. Can we use these?
The hand up.
No.
Okay, sorry. Just the definition. That's cool.
Oh my God, I can't even mow my lawn. I can't even mow my lawn. How am I going to fix this? Oh my gosh.
We'll fix it. What's this here, a lawnmower? I'm gonna drink, dog. Skit, what's supposed to happen? Just some dope valves. Nah, bro. I can fix it.
I think this is going to take the touch of a woman.
Yeah, maybe.
No, doesn't look like that's going to work. Does anybody from the audience want to help? Ow, come on up here.
How am I even going to mow my lawn? I need this money to go on dates. Squirrel! My lawnmower is broken, and it needs to be fixed. It really does.
Nice lawnmower. Nice lawnmower.